Hey there, it's McCare. I wanted to give you an update on the silly tomato experiment because we actually have a tomato, despite the, I don't know how many consecutive or total days over 100 at this point. Ridiculous number. And at night, if we go under 80, we're lucky. But I planted 2 of those plants from the silly tomato experiment, and I just wanted to show you something funny that happened. Okay, I'm gonna flip around the camera. Hang on a sec. All right. So one of them is here, and it's double stemmed, and then one of them is here, and it's double stemmed, right? So this was from Sweet 100 seeds, and that's what this looks like. Because these trusses have so many little wannabe flower, used to be flowers, died in the heat flowers on it. Like, it's really, really thick with them, right? And then this one has less. So if you remember, or if you don't, the silly tomato experiment was when I took some Sweet 100s that I had saved from a plant that had saved from the year before. And Sweet 100s are a hybrid, which means that they probably will not stay stable from year to year. So the fact that I've got 2 different looking plants is expected, but here's the thing. Do you see that? So look at the shape of that. That is not strictly a Sweet 100. That is the only one, that is the only fruit on either of these plants. I'm getting so few tomatoes because of the heat, and I am just looking forward to a bumper crop in the fall. But, what is it? It was growing with a few other kinds of cherry tomatoes, including Brad's Atomic Grape, which is an oblong one, but that's pointed on the end and stripy, and that doesn't look like that. It was growing by some Amish paste and a whole bunch of slicers. So I don't know what it is, and I'm excited, and we'll see. And hey, before I let you go, let me show you this one thing that I am trying, and it seems to be working on my tomatoes that are over that way that are in some shade. This is in like full blast, all sun, all day. So let me show you this little trick I've been trying. So in one of my garden groups, somebody said that they were advised on their eggplants to give them a little squish when it's hot because it's stickiness that keeps them from pollinating when it's really hot. So if we come and give all the little flowers a little finger hug, it's supposed to help them pollinate. And I've been doing it for a week, almost a week. And there are some little tomatoes showing up over there. It's not working on these over here in full sun. In like full blast, full sun all day long. It's not working on them. But on the ones over there, it seems to be going well. So give it a try. And I will be back soon with some more educational content, some better edited content, and so forth. Alrighty? Take care. Stay cool if you can. Wow. We're like 7:30 and still 100 degrees. Later, y'all.